Warning, your big attention is required as your life is about to change forever after this video. Imagine, just minutes from now, you get instant access to something the world has never seen before. World's first AI app powered by Google's latest AI tech. VEO3 creates Hollywood-level 3D cinematic VFX videos, reels, YouTube shorts, ad commercials, and more in less than 30 seconds. And to be honest, this is not just another video app. This is a futuristic 2025 AI app, fully powered by Google's latest AI tech VEO3 that instantly transforms your ideas into big-budget cinematic 3D VFX masterpieces, like the ones you see in Hollywood trailers, reels, and blockbuster ads. And guess what? You don't need a single ounce of experience or editing knowledge. With just a few clicks, or even just your voice, you can now create scroll-stopping cinematic content that grabs attention, drives clicks, and sells like wildfire. And the best part? You can sell these jaw-dropping 3D cinematic Google-powered AI videos, ads, reels, and shorts on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or to local clients, and charge $500 to $1,000 plus per project. All while the app does everything on complete autopilot. Let's face it, we now live in a world where people scroll endlessly on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok, which means only one thing: visual storytelling is king. And the only thing that stops people from scrolling? Eye-popping cinematic motion content that looks expensive, but is secretly created using AI. Introducing AI 3D VFX Maker, the world's first app that gives you the power to create Hollywood-level 3D cinematic videos using Google's new VEO3 AI tech in just 30 seconds, even if you've never edited a video before in your life. Here's what's inside this game-changing tech: instant 8K cinematic video and ad production, auto-generated 3D VFX shorts, reels, and commercial ads, turn text, URLs, or voice commands into full-blown 3D videos, animate boring images into scroll-stopping 3D motion content, 500 plus ready-made templates across 100 plus niches, auto-sync music, voiceovers, transitions, and effects using AI, add human-like AI avatars and spokespersons in any language, add background scores, VFX transitions, and audio FX with one click, export in 4K for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and more, one-click poster and thumbnail designer, smart hashtag and tagline generator to maximize traffic, built-in branding control, add your name, product, and message, AI written conversion-focused sales scripts, two-click instant publishing to any platform, sales-optimized video framework based on proven psychology, fully cloud-based, no software or downloads needed, live performance tracking dashboard, views, clicks, sales, built-in monetization tools, add affiliate links and offers in video, AI-powered live chat support for real-time assistance, zero technical skills required, 100% beginner-friendly, and all it takes is 3 easy, dead simple steps. Step 1, speak or type your idea. Step 2, let Google's latest AI VEO3 create your dream cinematic videos. Step 3, publish, download, or sell your cinematic video instantly. That's it. Look, businesses, influencers, creators, e-com brands, coaches, everyone needs cinematic content that pops. Now you can be the one who delivers it and gets paid like a pro. Start your own VFX video business, grow your brand with viral content, or simply replace boring ads with cinematic 3D motion that sells. Ask yourself, is there anything else on the planet that lets you create, customize, and launch cinematic 3D VFX content in under 60 seconds using just your voice? There isn't. This is your moment. Don't wait. This is early bird access, and once the launch ends, the price shoots up or the doors close forever. You're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. Click the button below now and claim your lifetime access to AI 3D VFX Maker, the world's first and only AI app, powered by Google's latest AI tech, VEO3, that creates Hollywood-level 3D cinematic VFX videos, reels, YouTube shorts, ad commercials, and more. In just 2 clicks, no skills, just Hollywood-style, eye-dropping, realistic cinematic VFX results. We'll see you inside.